Straighten your arm properly. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Class 9 and 10. Boys, why are you being so congested over there? Break the line. Cover up. Maintain the proper distance between your friends. Latecomers, put your bag there and join the assembly line fast. Move your fingers. Hands stop. Hands down. All of you maintain the proper distance between your friends. All of you, cover up.